If you find yourself stranded in need of a jump, I'd like to show you the proper way and proper procedure on how to jump a vehicle. Safety first. Most vehicles will have what's called an owner manual. Please read carefully to prevent damage to any computer or any electrical components. We will be jumping this vehicle from this vehicle. Please remember, as on the battery, red is for positive, black is for negative. You connect the positive cable to the vehicle with the dead battery. Then you connect the positive cable in to the good battery. Make sure the terminals do not touch each other. Then you will connect the negative cable to the dead battery and onto the good battery. Now this vehicle will start. Sometimes it may take a couple of minutes for the battery to get enough charge to start, depending on how dead it is. And that's how you properly jump a vehicle.